Yeah, thank you. We are getting close. No, we're having more videos on now. Symmetric roots. So let's see another question on this. We have if one of the quadratic equation x squared is equal to 0 is the square root of the other. If one of the quadratic equation, if one of the roots of quadratic equation, one of the roots of this is the square root of the other. Find the two roots and hence find k. Now, ideally when you're looking for quadratic equation roots, you know that x can be equal to probably 2 or x is equal to what? 4, 5 or something, right? Now they said one of the roots, so we say let one of the roots be y. And we say let the other roots be what? Square root of y. They say one of the roots of the quadratic equation is the square root of the other one. So there is one, the second one is the square root of the first. Fine. Let's go. So let's continue with the instruction. The instruction says find the two roots. Now let's go from our knowledge of sum and products of symmetric roots. So we have alpha plus beta is always what? Minus b over a. Our alpha plus beta here we have y plus square root of y to be equal to what our minus b. Minus b is minus k over a. Our a is 1. That implies that y plus square root of y is equal to minus k. Right? Good. Let's call this equation 1. We bring something out of this. Let's check the products. Product means alpha beta is equal to c upon a, and that means y times its square root of y is equal to c. C is 27 over what? A, which is 1. So this means this times square root of this is equal to 27. Can we re-express this? Yes, if we re-express this, we're going to be having y times y raised to the power 1 over 2 to be equal to 27, right? Good. So let's re-express this again. This will become y 1 plus, so that becomes y raised to the power 1. This indices 1 plus 1 over 2. What do we have? We have 1 over 1 plus 1 over 2. LCM we have 2, because y is 3 upon 2, right? So we have 3 over 2 is equal to what? 27. Isn't it? Good. So from here again we go. We can equally say, since y, we can re-express this as the power of 3. Let's see what happens. Or we take the square root, we try to get y. So y can be, we can say y can be equal to 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 is equal to 27, which can be written as 3 raised to the power of 3 times 2 over 3. Are you seeing that at all? So I want to get rid of this power 3 over 2. So I have to introduce the reciprocal of 3 over 2, and that is 2 over 3. So this will cancel this cancel this. And this I've introduced 2 multiply the power by 2 over 3. I should use the same thing to the right hand side. This cancel this. Obviously y is equal to what? 9. So one of the roots is 9. And if one of the roots is 9, that implies that the square root of y, which is equal to the square root of 9, is equal to 3. So the first root 9, the second root 3. How do we get k? From here, y, addition of the two roots will give us minus k. That implies we have 9 plus 3 is equal to minus k. And that's what? 9 plus this, that is 12 is equal to minus k. We need k. So k is equal to minus 12. We have solved for the two roots, we solved for k. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Any observation? Thank you for staying with me.